Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Network Mass and thank you for clicking on this video. I have great news today want to share with you, and this great news is one application that you have been looking for called Web Catalog. Web Catalog is an application that behaves just like your App Store on your mobile phone or your Google Play Store, where you have access to so many applications. So you need those applications on your desktop too, but you don't know how to download them on your desktop or your PC. All right, so you've been looking for way out how to get some applications installed on your desktop. So this is exactly where I'm introducing you to Web Catalog. This Web Catalog behaves so well by introducing you or leading you to or helping you to download mobile apps on your PC, just like you can do it on your mobile phones. All right, so can you also do it on desktop or your PC computer? All right, so I'm leading you today to these applications to have it installed on your machine. Already I've used this application to install ChatGPT and also Coursera app that has been an app of a learning field where you can enroll in a course. This Coursera app is difficult to install on your PC, but with the help of Web Catalog, I have it installed on my PC. So just like you can see, let me show you. This is the interface of Web Catalog application. When you download it and you install it on your PC, what it will show you is this wonderful interface where you can navigate looking for your app, your desired app. All right, by default it showed you these applications, all these applications. Like you can see, these are game sites. So let me come to the app itself. It presents you with the ordinary application that you used to see on your mobile phones, but you have never imagined that you can have them on your desktops, and then you have to pass through so many difficult ways to have it on your desktop. But with the help of Web Catalog, by one click, then you have it installed on your desktop, just like I've already installed ChatGPT on my desktop, and also I installed Coursera app here. So like you see beneath here, it's asking me to open. It's asking me to open. This is it. All right, so you need to have this application. Yes, I don't know what will prevent you from installing the application, and then installing it is not hard. I will even leave the link under the description below so that you can download it. You can pass through that link and download the application. Even you can, when you go to your Chromebook, I will show you. But before I get there, let me show you. If you install any application on this application, you use this application to install any application on your desktop, it appears in this window, where by clicking on the installed app, you see them here asking you to open or uninstall. Yes, unlike other applications that will grant you access to install mobile app, but will keep those apps in their windows, in their place in the app, where you need to open the app and then you access those apps that you have installed within the app. But this one, as you install it from the app, it will appear on your desktop, just like I showed you here. Like Coursera here, I use this app to install Coursera on my app and ChatGPT. So these are the two apps that I've already installed using Web Catalog. So just like you can see the two here. Yes, so I've just used them to make an example. All right, so if you click on library, you'll see all the applications that you have installed. Do you know how YouTube behave? Any video that you install, it kept in the YouTube. Yes, so you click on library, you see those applications here too. And but if you click on install, you see the option to either open it or uninstall it. And so let's go back to the app itself. These are so many other apps available for you to download, and this is by default, and this is not the only application that you can have access to, but you can also search your desired app by clicking on the any or typing the app. Let me say, before I search any app, let me ask you, showed you that there is no CapCut within or among these apps. Just like you can see, there is no CapCut. This CapCut is not here. The CapCut is not in this app by default. So I come to the search engine here, and then I begin to type CapCut. Then it showed me CapCut to install. All right. So any application that you desire, you just need to type it in the search engine here. Then it will bring you to, or it will give you the application to install. So you can see how good this application is, and look at the interface. It's so easy to navigate through and to get the app that you want. Is so good to use this app on your desktop. So that is it. And if you need an upgrade version of it, which is an advanced performance of this application, then you need to click on the upgrade. Otherwise, use the free version one. And then also you have access to so many applications. You can download Google Play. As you can see, Google Play here, and through this Google Play, you can also download more applications. And if you come to games here, you can see Temple Run, you can see Subway, all so wonderful game apps that you use to download on your mobile phones, giving to your children to play. You can have it on your PC too. These are many games available by default, and also any of them that you want which is not here, searching it is the option. You will search it, then you get access to that application or that game, then you install it. All right, so I think that is it with this application. When you have it installed, you will just go through it by the inscription or the requirement that it asks you to provide. Then you will register. Then you have the application available to use. When you click on the Google Chrome, go to your Google Chrome to download web catalog. Click on or type in web catalog and click enter. When you click enter, it will show you the version you see. Like you see web catalog desktop for Mac, Windows and Linux. That is amazing. You see, it doesn't work only on Windows, but also on Mac and Linux. So whichever OS that you are having or you are using on your PC, you can download Mac web catalog on it and have access to numerous mobile app and also most powerful application out there installed on your PC. For a gentle reminder, please consider subscribing to my channel, like my videos if you find it helpful, and also hit the bell icon so that you can get notified anytime I make a new post. And also, if you have make a comment known, your commendation to my videos, and also your questions concerning any area that you want me to touch on, leave it under the comment section. I will read them and reply to you. And then thank you for your time and see you on another video. Bye.